my son. My son-in-law's graduated in 96.
Yeah, you can talk.
Chicken. Look at this. Yes, of course. All right, that's right. How are they?
I'll meet you down there. I wanted to see how they play soccer.
Because we're going to end up knowing. I'm going to end up knowing.
Count your eggs. Notice, put it in it.
That's her brother, Jerry's brother and Jerry's sister. These are my honored guests. They have my sweater. What happened with these two ladies?
I know what you're talking about. We're doing the same thing.
Her mother married, what I said? Her mother married this one.
Now I know exactly how many pieces of gum and how many cough drops I have.
TV there. Watch out what you say.